Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Gonna get a couple nights out here this week. In the last episode we got the coilover mounts all figured out. So now I have to take that top crossbar out and fully weld it together, and then we'll put it back in, tack weld it in place, and then all of this axle comes out, all the parts in here, so that I can finish welding the stuff on the axle, as well as cut and finish welding the upper control arm mounts. And then there is a small section in there that I have to brace. Probably can't see it from here, but there's a spot between this shock crossbar and the upper control arm mounts where the new frame rails went in for the mini tubs. I just have to add a plate to that. So we're just gonna get to it. I don't know how much footage there'll be on here because there's just a lot of welding. So still gonna make some progress this week, but I don't know how long this video will be. Anyway, let's get to it, see what we can get done. Alright, a little shorter video this week, but still made some great progress. I got the lower shock brackets all fully welded on to the axle here. I think we're done welding on the axle, so it just needs to be cleaned up, degreased, painted, and it will be ready to install in the car. Now, under the car here, we got the shock crossbar all welded together and welded in, and we got these plates here from where we had to put in this new frame piece. There was a seam there, so we had to get these plates in. Still have to grind this flat and grind this flat and then weld those in on both sides. There's still quite a few holes in the floor pan here that we have to patch and figure out. And then we still have this big part here where we cut it out to make room for the shocks. I got a piece of metal I gotta bend and weld in for that. So quite a bit of welding and fabricating still back here. Just cleaning up floor pan stuff mostly now, but making great progress. Once we get all that floor pan stuff figured out and done, we'll paint this and be ready to install everything back here and be done with the rear suspension. Anyway, great progress this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.